In a classic law firm, legal software is generally installed locally on each computer or on a local network where all of the computers may access it. To move to the cloud means to forego your local network and all of the costs associated with it by transferring the setup to an off-site virtual network known as the cloud. Simply put, moving to the cloud means accessing your legal software and associated applications over the internet rather than from your local network. While this may sound like a change of how you work day to day, it really isn't. All firm users will connect to a fully functional Microsoft Windows desktop with access to Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Adobe Acrobat, internet browsing, and of course, Perfectlaw. All of your applications look and work the same, just as they did on your local computer. Now, moving to the cloud might seem complicated, but with Perfectlaw, it's incredibly simple. To begin, a copy of your firm's database is transferred to Perfectlaw, where it's converted and prepared to be put on the cloud for testing. The firm does not experience any downtime and may continue to work without interruption. As a quick side note, Perfectlaw does recommend for you to upgrade to Microsoft's Office 365 and Exchange 365. Doing this means you'll no longer require a local email exchange server to use Outlook. Moreover, Perfectlaw will even perform the installation for you, so all you'll need to do is enter your Office 365 login information when prompted by Microsoft. Now, once the conversion is complete, your documents will be transferred to the test setup in preparation for going live. It's at this stage your firm will be asked to log in and perform an audit, ensuring everything is functioning just as you would expect. Other staff members of the firm may also perform testing if you'd like, or they can even receive training if you feel it's necessary. But don't let the notion of training scare you. Perfectlaw's staff have trained countless users and are equipped to make your transition as easy and painless as possible. And let's face it, working in the cloud is really simple. After your firm's approval of the setup, Perfectlaw will begin to wrap things up by importing your remaining data. This would be all of the data which was accumulated while the original conversion was occurring. This step ensures your firm won't be missing any documents or information since the start of the conversion process. Following the completion of your final data and documents being imported, it's time to go live. It's at this point you'll start performing regular, real work connected to Perfectlaw's Microsoft Azure-like data center, where your employees may continue their business as usual. And that's all there is to it. Perfectlaw's cloud is guaranteed to be up and running over 99.9% of the time. No more worrying about network issues, no more worrying about security, and no more manually backing up your files. If you think Perfectlaw's cloud could be right for you, or if you just have some questions, contact a Perfectlaw representative today and let us show you the law firm of the future. Perfectlaw. Front office software, back office software, all in one software.